control. But just before I talk, I want to ask you a small question. Just guess, when do you think statistical process control is invented? Just give me a guess, like give me a range, 2005 to 2015 or anything like that, 10 years range. Anyone? No. Anyone there? Just a guess?
1900s?
Not really. A bit.
1950s, 60s?
Sorry?
50s, 60s?
1955. That's perfect. I'm going to give you a chocolate. Sorry, the vending machine is not working, but I'll give you a chocolate. So, it is invented in 1955. So, now my friend Leonard is going to talk about what SPC is.
Who is Leonard? Leonard is here.
Okay, yeah, this is a diagram I did actually in the handout, so we'll just that was enables some of the important points of my bomb. Definitions. A closed loop system that allows an ongoing process of data analysis and integration, which also introduces the variable parameters within the process. So the important part of that is the closed loop system. A closed loop system goes in a circle with the hope that each cycle will be more efficient than the last. However, due to the nature of experimenting with different statistical analysis mediums, this efficiency may not increase during the preliminary cycles. Because all statistical analysis mediums are relatively compatible with any data source, the closed loop system may be recycled many times before the data correlations positively aid process criteria. And the other ones are going to be a means of deriving a correlation or conclusion from a collaboration of integrated data analysis mediums, that's a good one, and inspection on a rational statistical basis. These are all from Wikipedia, if you guys are interested. Different steps in an SPC process. Define the SPC process. The SPC process and its specification limits are defined relative to previous data research. SPC application. That's it. The application of the SPC process. Data analysis. Drawing correlations and conclusions from the data analysis. This may include data derivation, integration, and superposition. And then feedback loop, that's quite important. One would monitor the ongoing process assisted by additional statistical analysis mediums and openly source this data back into the feedback loop to revise and redefine the SPC process and its specification limits.
Thanks for the introduction. So I'm going to show you practically, just to give an example, how, when and why we use SPC. So imagine, just for now, I'm a manager of a 5-star hotel. It looks something like this, which is quite big, which is good. Okay, I'm the manager of this hotel, imagine. So as a manager, what I'm doing is, I'm taking customer rating every day, which is on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's see how is the customer rating in one particular week. So on Monday, it is 8.5 out of 10. On Tuesday, it's 8.6 out of 10, which is good. It's an average of every day. And Wednesday, it is 8.7 out of 10. But on Thursday, oops, it's 6 out of 10. Okay, what about Friday? It's again back to normal, 8.5. On Saturday, it's 8.4. So my focus would be on this. This is all quite normal. But as a manager, I'll be really worried about why is it 6 on this particular day. So what do I do here to identify what's the issue? So I try to use SPC, that is statistical process control. So first thing you can see, Thursday it's 6. So how can I identify the issue? So the first thing I would do is take the